Again, the best you early bird 5427 dice roll 4 times on the dice. Letters first 1, 2, 3, and 4. K up top, J at the bottom. 4 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Michael up top, Tom Shepard at the bottom. Let's sort them out. And there's your letters, the best you bird. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. The best part about watching, though, Josh, honestly, the best part about watching, if you see a card you want, you know what I mean? You can always just drop a message in the chat, say, hey, how much you want for that? Or whatever. You can shoot him a message if he's on Facebook or anything like that, Josh. And then you can, you know what I mean? If you buy it before we ship it out, then I can just ship it to you. So that's another option. Even though you didn't hit in the break, Josh, you could always buy it off of who did hit it. And the best you bird, good luck. Due for an absolute monster out of here. Show me Caitlin Clark. You got gold on the back. Good luck, good luck. Starting off with Mackenzie Mbako Refractor for the M spot. Going to Jeff Adams. For the C spot, Cam Spencer, 4 out of 25. Going to Sean Murphy. Cam Spencer to 25. Zachary Rasacher, 67 out of 99. Z spot, Sean Murphy. He should be the #1 overall pick next year. Zachary Rasacher. Bryce Hopkins for the B spot, 48 out of 150. Going to Tom Shepard. Elijah Martin, 83 out of 100. For the A spot, Chester Green. Simeon Wilcher, 32 out of 50. S spot, Mason Ryder. On the gold, got Riley Kugel, 42 out of 125. R spot. And Richard Ossenfort on the Riley Kugel auto. Mackenzie Mbako to 125 for the M spot. Going to Jeff Adams. And for the A spot, Andrei Stojakovic, 103 out of 125. Going to Chester Green. And another one here for Sean Murphy on the gold. Victory Vibes of Zach Edey. 34 out of 50. On to Sean Murphy. Victory Vibes. Again, to recap it. Victory Vibes of Zach Edey to 50. Andrei Stojakovic, 125. Mackenzie, 125. Riley, 125. Simeon to 50. Elijah to 100. Bryce to 150. Zachary to 99. Cam to 25. And the refractor of Mackenzie. Whenever we get to 100 orders, Brandon. Again, first 100 orders getting the giveaway. As soon as we get to 100 orders, it'll go. We're not at 100.